Hello traders! In this video, I'll talk about the profit targets in the evaluation process for the TFT challenges. All the TFT challenges consist of two phases, except for the NICE challenge, which has only one phase. For the two-phase evaluations, traders have 35 days to reach the target for phase 1 and 60 days for phase 2. Let's take a closer look at the profit targets for each challenge type. The standard challenge has a profit target of 10% in the first phase and 5% in the second phase. The Royal Challenge has a profit target of 8% in the first phase and 5% in the second phase. Same applies to the Rapid Challenge. And finally, the NICE Challenge has a profit target of 10%. If you end phase 1 in profit without violating the maximum daily loss and total loss while satisfying the minimum trading days, you'll be eligible for a free retry if you run out of time on phase 1. Same applies to phase 2. However, you will have to start back on phase 1. It's important to know that all positions must be closed in order to secure the profit target, as well as that traders are eligible for unlimited free retries on our standard, Royal, and Rapid accounts only. Retries are not provided for the NICE Challenge account, as there is no time limit for this challenge. Keep in mind that the evaluation process is designed to help you become a better trader. So take advantage of the opportunity to learn and grow. We wish you best of luck with your challenge, and we look forward to seeing you succeed.